Senzo Mchunu classified the IPID report on Phala Phala scandal without the security clearance. This has been revealed by Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Let us listen to this clip.
Because he has gone too deep in showing that he's got control all over. And maybe lastly, I might ask the members to say, if we ever heard of any report that is deemed to be classified, that's supposed to expose the wrong that has happened, such reports be interrogated. And one of them, IPID has a responsibility to investigate criminal things. When you hear the Minister of Police says, I've got a report from IPID that is classified, you need to ask yourself a question. You are not an intelligence structure. What do you do with a classified report that you don't want to release? As IPID, what is that report doing in the minister, first place? Because IPID deals with the criminal case docket. Whatever you investigate must get into the case docket, and that docket must go to court. Why will it go to the minister, and the minister goes out public and say, I've classified this report, I won't make it public? So these are things that may need to be checked, because it is when the system of government fails. And you have worked hard to create a legislation to try and protect yourselves, the citizen of the Republic. But if it's manipulated in that fashion, that the minister can just decide, I'm classifying this, I'm not releasing it in public, perhaps you need to ask, do your minister that classifies a document, do you have a security clearance yourself? So how do you classify something if you yourself are not vetted? You don't have a security clearance. So what gives you basis to classify something? So those are the typical examples that I'm talking about that might need to be checked. The problem in the law enforcement has...
Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, the KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner, while giving testimony in the Parliament's ad hoc committee, probing the political interference and, of course, the capturing of the South African Police Service by politicians and criminal syndicates, revealed how Senzo Mchunu, the suspended police minister, who's currently suspended, classified the IPID report. IPID is a body that investigates the police. He classified the IPID report on the Phala Phala scandal. We know that Phala Phala scandal is, or Phala Phala's corruption. It is the Cyril Ramaphosa's corruption. How Senzo Mchunu classified the IPID report without a security clearance. This tells you and explains why Cyril Ramaphosa has not fired Senzo Mchunu. Despite all the damning evidence that points that Senzo Mchunu is corrupt and is working with criminal underworld, a whole police minister, it is because Cyril Ramaphosa knows that he owes favors to Senzo Mchunu, who protected him when he needed him. And their relationship, dates back to the 2017 NC conference, where Senzo Mchunu was Cyril Ramaphosa's fixer in KwaZulu-Natal in ensuring that Cyril Ramaphosa secures the victory of the ANC presidency. And subsequent then, when Senzo was appointed the police minister, he then did favors to Cyril Ramaphosa by classifying the IPID report on Phala Phala scandal without even a security clearance. This goes to show you how these politicians, these ANC politicians, are prepared to protect and defend each other's rot and corruption at the expense of the country. Whether the country is burning or not, they care less about that. What they care about is defending their own interests and protecting each other in the process. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tebus Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu. If you like this content, guys, please join the membership, take up the membership. There's different categories of membership. Please buy me the super thanks. There's different categories there as well. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you very much.